In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload 1099 to H&R Block. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the H&R Block online experience to add a 1099-B from your broker so your investment sales are correctly reported. Before we begin, have your tax account open in your browser and keep your 1099-B or consolidated 1099 statement handy for reference. Once you're signed in and on the main H&R Block dashboard, start on the DIY main menu. From there, head to the Overview section. Overview is a helpful hub that lets you quickly jump into different parts of your return, and it keeps everything organized as you move through the interview. Next, move into the federal area of your return. If you see the option to go to the beginning of your return, select that to make sure the software knows where you want to start working. If a screen prompts you to continue, click. Next to proceed. Don't worry if your exact screens look slightly different. H&R Block sometimes tailors the flow based on what you've already answered. Now open the Income section. This is where all of your wages, interest, dividends, and investment sales will live. Choose Add Another Income Type to tell the software you'd like to include something new. Scroll down the list of topics, and in the search field, type 1099. This quickly filters to the forms you're most likely looking for. Select 1099-B, sale of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other securities. This is the form that reports proceeds from investment sales. When you see the prompt, choose Go There to jump directly into the investment entry workflow. You'll land on a page for investment accounts. Click Add an Investment Account, then choose Plus Add an Account to begin. You'll see a list of popular financial institutions. Select Fidelity Investments if that's where your statement comes from. If you use a different brokerage, simply pick the one that matches your account from the list you see. Click Next to continue. On the following screen, choose Add Income. At this point, H&R Block will guide you through connecting to your financial institution for an import, if available, or it will let you enter the information from your 1099-B manually. Follow the on-screen questions carefully, using your statement to confirm totals, dates, and categories such as short-term or long-term. A couple of quick tips as you proceed. Make sure the account you choose matches the statement you're holding, double-check that the totals align with your broker's numbers, and save your progress before moving on. When you're finished, your 1099-B details will be added to your federal return and ready for review.